The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark, which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean, or if the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug boot from the spark plug. With the boot removed, I'll use the spark plug wrench to remove the plug. Now install the new spark plug. Before I do, I need to check the gap between the electrodes. To do that, I'll use a spark plug gapping tool. In this case, it should be 26 thousandths of an inch. I place the gapping tool in the gap between the electrodes and take a measurement. In this case, it looks like it's about 25 thousandths, so it's just a little bit tight. I'll go ahead and adjust the gap and check again. And that looks good. Now thread the spark plug back into the cylinder and tighten it firmly with the wrench. And I'll finish by replacing the boot. And that's how easy it is to install a spark plug in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.